How can you stop your weld cleaning brushes looking like this? Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, my name's Tom and welcome to another episode of Ask Cougartron. In this episode, I'll show you the best way to make your brushes last longer and give better cleaning results. So let's get into it, and if you find this video useful, please share, subscribe and like it. An important part when using your weld cleaner is the aftercare. You need to rinse off your brushes with neutralizer and running water after use. This will ensure that not only do they last longer, but perform better when cleaning. Leaving excess cleaning fluid on the brushes will cause a build-up of copper corrosion and will seriously affect the performance. It may also lock the brushes into place and damage the brush holder. So if your weld cleaning one looks like this, it's time to throw it away. The best results when cleaning, always use the tips of the brush combined with a shroud. Using a shroud, it will allow you to keep the bristles tight together, retains fluid during cleaning, and stops any risk of arcing out on the job. This is the best way to extend the brush life. All Cougartron machines are supplied with a protective shroud to keep your brushes working like new every single time. If your weld cleaner doesn't have one of these, we can supply you one. So that's it. Take care of your brushes and keep your welds clean. See you next time.